before we used Wooclap, we would have to leverage, like, let's say the opening session would be someone talking with slides for like 40 minutes. And then it would go into another session, someone talking with slides for like 30 minutes, and then a break. And then they come back and it's two people talking with slides for 30 minutes. So because of that, we felt like that we've even done that in person. We felt like that in a virtual setting would just be so boring. No one would show up. We needed to make sure that they were actually interacting. So that's where Wooclap fits in, because it's a great way to keep them engaged, because they have to click and they have to participate, and you can see if they're participating. The thing with a virtual meeting where someone is just, talking at them for 40 minutes, you're going to start to see cameras turn off. You're going to see people leaving. You're going to see people, oh, can I just have the recording? So like with the fact that we used Wooclap and the fact that it was engaging, the recording, that's what we wanted to make it feel like the recording almost becomes obsolete, because if you weren't there, you weren't getting the full benefit of that.